Hi viewers, welcome to Max IELTS tutorial. If you are a first time viewer of our channel, then subscribe our channel without fail. In this video, we will be discussing how to write a report when we are given a map. First, let us see the question for discussion. The question goes like this. The diagram shows lakeside development between years 2000 and 2009. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting main features and make comparisons where relevant. As mentioned in the previous video, we shouldn't just jump into the fair draft. Take at least 10 to 15 minutes to work on your rough draft. This is the format of the rough draft for the report which we are going to write. First, we will start with the introduction. In the introduction, we must paraphrase the given question and you needn't add any additional information or data. Next, we shall move on to the overview. In the overview, I'm going to mention the key factors like residential area and the school were remaining in the same place and the river that divided the residential and commercial area from industries. Now, we shall move on the detailed paragraph 1. In detail 1, I am going to emphasize on the other striking features like the industrial complex was expanded and completely separated from residential area. The lake got shrunk in this period and the warehouse was replaced by car parking and the university stood in the same old place. In detail para 2, I am going to jot down the remaining features. The residential complex was removed and the industrial complex was isolated from the rest. Cinema was constructed replacing art center and residential center. Now we shall start writing the fair draft. The developments witnessed in Lakeside between 2000 and 2009 are illustrated in the given maps. During these 9 years, the residential area in the northwest and the school in the center were maintained. The river continued to divide the residential and commercial parts of the region from the industrial complex. The industrial complex was expanded and was completely separated from any residential area. The lake, which was the source of river, shrunk during this period into a pond, while the derelict warehouse in the north was replaced by a car parking, offices, and a university stood in the same place of the old town. Finally, a cinema was constructed in the west, replacing the art center and the residential center. South of the art center was raised to make way for a shopping complex. Hope you have got a clear idea of how to write a report when you're given a map. If the video was informative, then like and share our video. Subscribe our channel for future videos and click on the bell button to get notification of the same. You can also follow us on our Instagram and Facebook pages. Until next time, have a happy learning.